Hey guys, so today's video is going to be on this teal crease. I was craving a little color. I have been doing a lot of muted, simple glam, and I was craving a little something more colorful. So I'm going to start by using these e.l.f. eye tapes. They are so handy and they're only $3. And then I'm going to move on and start by using this palette from Profusion. This palette is $7, so affordable, and it's really great. You can see right there the pigmentation. It's really a good steal if you're looking for something that with a little bit of a pop of color, but you have your regular browns and warm tones right there. This palette is great. Also, these brushes are from Profusion. I have been using them on my daily basis, and they are really great. Everything from them is very affordable. I'm gonna link everything down below for you guys if you're interested, but everything from them is very affordable. I'm always so impressed at how everything works really nicely, and everything is just, you can find them at Target, I believe. I don't know where else you can find them, but I know Target for sure, and also on their website. So don't worry, everything will be down there for you guys. And then I'm gonna list the shadows, the shades that I used as well. But basically, I just build up a little bit of a brown and a darker brown, and now I'm cutting the crease, and I'm cutting all the way on the outer corner. I normally stop in the middle, but this time around I wanted to do a very kind of different, because I was gonna do the wing afterwards, so I wanted to do all the way on the outer corner. And then I wanted to play with this teal shadow. I'm so drawn to these colors. I don't know, I love the contrast of like warm browns and then like a cool tone like teal, and this was really nice. I did prime my eyes, I did cut my crease with concealer, but it worked really nicely. I didn't have to build up or anything. Like the shadows are just really nice. So I'm just going back and forth and intensifying that crease right there, because I want it to be very defined. Now this liner is really good and it's waterproof. You just have to be careful that if you go over too many times, it tends to crack a little bit. So just be aware of that, but I love the eyeliner. And then voila, everything is so good on the outer corner. Like, I just love using those tapes. It really helps so much. And these lashes, you have seen me use them many times. I really love them. They're very comfortable. And I'm still using my all-nighter primer. I've been really dry lately, but trying to keep my skin very hydrated. And that primer is great. Now, this foundation right here, oh my goodness. It's my new favorite foundation. I have to tell you, I have been wearing this every single day pretty much since I got it. I love this foundation. It's so light on the skin and it still gives you like a nice coverage. I don't know, Makeup Forever just gets it, and it's such a good foundation. I really am in love with. The only thing I dislike severely is the smell, but I do get past it because it doesn't, stay on you all day. Like, it goes away. But if you can get past that, you're golden. And then here I'm literally scraping the bottle the bottle of this concealer, my NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer. I love this concealer. I needed a little bit more of a coverage that day, so I went in with the CoverGirl True Blend Undercover, just on the very where my dark circles are very like intense, and I just blended everything out. I do love that little brush as well that comes. It doesn't come with the Makeup Forever foundation, but it's what they advise you to use. I've applied that foundation with a beauty blender or whatever, and it works great either way. But it is a handy little brush, but you don't necessarily need that brush. But in case you wonder, yes, it works really nicely. So then I'm just powdering my T-zone pretty much. I'm still using that Ciate powder that I got in the BoxyCharm. I really like it. And then I decided to use my Hoola bronzer that I haven't used in so long. And I forgot how much I really love that, but it's very intense. So I just had to go back and like blend it out a little bit more. And then I'm using the little brush that comes in the palette. You know, it comes in every Benefit product pretty much. And it's really good for contouring your nose. I just went too hard again with the bronzer. So I'm trying to blend everything out right there with the powder. But anyway, so then I apply the Galifornia blush, which I still love very much. And it's just such a nice coral blush, just like your standard pretty blush. And then I highlighted my face and my camera shut it off, unfortunately. So that's all you missed right there, is just me highlighting my face. And then I move on to the my lower lash line, which I just went in with the harder, not harder, the darker brown, and I smoked everything out like really nicely. And I love this inner corner. It's like the brightest shadow in the palette. It gives such a nice like bing on your inner corners. It's really nice. And then that was me picking out a eyeliner, and I decided to go for a brown because I didn't have any good teal eyeliner that went with my teal eyeshadow. So I went with a brown just to keep everything nice and smoky and neutral. And then here it's my e.l.f. in NABELA collaboration. I love this lipstick. I cannot stop using it. I just need to get a new one, I think. So that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this look. Everything will be linked down below. I love you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Mwah. Bye bye.